What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. Today, I guess you can call this a how-to video but I don't know if you really call it a how-to video because I don't really know how to do it.
Random acts of lawn care.
Alright people, seems like a straightforward process. I went to start up my Husqvarna 150BT. As you see, the logo's gone because I've already replaced this, which I just see that one of the screws are missing, so always something. Anywho, I had this thing since 2013, I want to say. Yeah, 2013 I had this bad boy, so tried and true. Anyhow, this is what we want for. You wonder why the gas cap is open. I don't know if you can see there. Let me zoom in. That's what cameras are for. But right here, that's a crack. And I'm like mad because it's like right in the middle. I'm like, why couldn't it be up top here? Maybe I could cut a little bit off, reapply this thing. So and so I'm looking on the inside here. I don't know if we can see it here with the camera. This thing in the way. Yeah, okay. Inside there, like I said, I don't know too much about machines, but it seems to stop like right there. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom. I think the black one is the one that gets the gas and it goes all the way to the bottom. This is probably more like something for air or something like that. So first things first, I'm gonna see if I can get it off, and like I said, use what you got. I got this old Poland, coincidentally. This right here, this Poland Pro, this was the first blower I bought when I bought my house. As you can see, I parted it out. Used it for all kinds of stuff. But as you can see, we still have some tubes here that are intact. So hopefully, thinking maybe that bigger, thicker tube might work with this situation. So got something that'll fit it. That's what we're gonna go with. So first I gotta figure out how to get this bad boy out of here, and hopefully I don't mess nothing up. Alright guys, as you can see, I got it out. It's about the same thickness. If that'll focus, I doubt it will. It never works for me. It's about the same thickness, but it is definitely not that same length. And my thing is, I don't even know what this one really does. See, I got that one out of there. I don't even know what it really does, but if I'm going to replace it, I'm going to replace it with something similar. So let's go search through my junky shed and see if we can find something else that might work. The crazy part is I literally just cleaned out my shed and threw away all my random. I had a whole bunch of weed eaters, blowers that didn't work anymore. I literally just threw all that stuff away. So anything that I'm gonna have is gonna be super old or something. And that looks short too. I have no idea what I'm gonna use. All right, people, new plan. We are going to use flex glue. I know what you're saying, Seth. Why don't you just go to the dealer and buy you a new one? Don't nobody got time for that. Anywho, I want to know how to fix things. So let me see if I can give y'all a close-up look of the situation. I don't know if this, and it's horrible light, but trust me when I say it has two cracks, and it has one that's a big crack that you can see right through it, and then there's another one that's starting to crack. So the good thing about this flex glue, it's flexible. A lot of glue, it gets hard and it's just stiff. So if you put it on something that bends or moves, it won't work. But with flex glue, I put it on my daughter. She had like an inflatable pool, right? And it got a leak in it. And instead of going out and paying another $50 for another inflatable pool, took some of this flex glue, put it on there, and that thing aired right up. Stayed aired up for the summer. So let's see, I might have to poke a hole in this little flex glue here. Hopefully the flex glue hasn't dried up. Come on, flex glue, flex for me. Come on, don't tell me I have to drill a hole in this thing. Where is the glue? Let me stick this a little further down in there. Don't tell me this stuff dried up. Get dried up. Now one thing is another. I feel glue at the bottom, but it's not getting to the top, so the top part must be dried out, which is weird. Hold what you got. Oh, we're gonna get some glue today. All I need is a drip, drip, drop. There you go. Alright, so take some of this here, and you want it in its natural form. You don't want to bend it because you want it to dry how it's going to sit. So that's how it's curved. I'll take a little bit of this little flex glue here, and you spread it on like so. And see, once I spread it on, I might let it dry, and then I'll come back and I'll put another layer to kind of get any cracks or crevices I miss. Because it's kind of like tacky, you know? So you're not going to get it all on the first pass. So that's kind of like a base coat. And then I'll let that dry for like 30 minutes or so. And then I'll come back and add another coat. And then I'll let that dry for some hours or so. It's a process, but hey, this is just a video showing you to, one, you can fix your own stuff, and two, just use what you got, bro. Like, I tried to use this thing this tube from an old blower, but that didn't work. So this flex glue has saved me. This flex glue actually repaired a sprayer. I had a sprayer that sprung a leak. Flex glue, we good to go. So anywho, I'll catch y'all later. Alright people, as you can see here, it's a process. I want to show y'all this. This is actually the third application that I did with it. Once I put it on, I kind of bend it, right? I bend it like this, I bend it, and I look to see if there's any gaps in it. And well, when I see the gap, I throw some more. It's not the prettiest thing, like I said, but you gotta understand that, like, basically you're creating a shell. If you think of like a turtle or something, you're creating a shell over that gap. So you don't want to stuff the Flex Seal in there. You just want to prevent the gas from leaking out. So like I said, this is like my third application. I think this will be good. And then once it starts to dry, I'm gonna bend it just to see if there's any gaps I can see, and then hopefully it'll be good, and I'll let it dry and pop it back on. Yes sir. Alright people, as you see, it's night, and that bad boy finally cured. Got it on there, and then I dropped that little, remember that little I forget what you call it, the little clamp thing. We just got some new gravel finally in our driveway, and I dropped it and there's no finding it. So The other one over there don't got no clamp on it, so hopefully this one don't need a clamp. If it does, I'm gonna wrap a zip tie around it and zip it up. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, and because I gotta use it tomorrow or Friday, and we will see the results. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. Like I said, it's been 2 days, and as you can see, that's what they say, 48 hours for it to set. So I gave it 48 hours. So, but there it is. We're gonna get it a start and see if it leaks. We're gonna see how long that lasts. You see, like I said, I do little quick fixes like this, and then when I'm out mowing and I drive by Husqvarna dealer, I'll stop, see if they got the actual hose, and I'll put that in my truck. So when that fails and I'm out on the job and I need it, then I'll have it. But the thing about it is, I don't even use my backpack blower no more while I'm mowing. I only use it for big jobs. I use my handheld now, so that's why I'm not really pressed about it. As long as my handheld's working, I'm cool. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'm about to finally get these leaves up on my yard. Yes, sir.